we had an individual retiring, so we had to make a decision. Do we hire for that position and take a year or so to train and cross our fingers and hope that they stay in that role? Or do we spend money on technology and automation?
I was pretty optimistic about it compared to what we were doing up to that point. Just seeing the automation go in was a relief based on some upcoming production requirements that were going to mean we needed to increase our speed, and so the robot was a welcome addition to the team.
It allows us to have the confidence that we had in one of our longest term employees on a daily basis. A robot shows up, a robot does consistent work in a timely manner. And we also knew that we had a budget that we wanted to stay within. We had a very specific size constraint where we could put the robot. The team was able to design a solution that fit that space and was able to meet our deliverables for speed, for safety, and reliability.
We also had the unique opportunity to try to use multiple size pallets, different styles of pallets, and we had to also go from 8 bags a minute to 20 bags a minute. Working with Howard, we developed a layout over several opportunities and finally came up with the final engineered solution.
On a daily basis, we used to get maybe 20 pallets of the large format bags, the 16-pound bags or the 20s. We can easily get 40 or 50 pallets out in a day now.
Well, before the robot, palletizing was a hands-on operation. I had 2 guys over there that were stacking it. That line's now a one-man job, which simplifies things a great deal.
We needed the ability to have somebody dial into our system from a remote support perspective.
MMCI solves that problem by providing Ethernet connectivity into the robot itself. And we see about 95% of all of our robot service calls solved by getting on the phone with the customer, connecting our computer to the robot, and then solving the problem.
With what we were trying to accomplish for the day with packaging, it makes a world of difference.
It's been universally positive. The learning curve was steep, and we all came up to speed pretty quick on it. It's a fairly simple interface. The whole department enjoys using that equipment.
I can tell you that robots do a very good job at stacking ice bags. I've been very happy with the functionality of the robot. Planning for the future and investing in the future was the right move by automating that line.